Hi everyone, I'm Magalí. I'm part of the project management team. There are many things the project manager does, but our main duty is to manage projects from beginning to end, which could involve translation, subtitling, e-learning, or AI translation services. Whenever we receive a potential project from one of our clients, we analyze its content in detail in order to provide the client with a quote. After reviewing everything required for the success of the project, we select the teams that will work on it based on the client's needs, the languages involved, and the subject matter expertise that is required. Once the project starts, we maintain communication with the client either through our platform Iris or via email to notify them about their project's progress, ask them further questions, or request any additional information that will guarantee the best possible outcome. At Idea Translation, our main goal is to deliver projects that are not only of the highest quality, but that also align with each client's objectives. Thank you for watching, and I hope we can work together in your next language-related project. Bye!